Again, the Nadex trade is buy 46.50. I don't know how far above it's going to go than that. You may want to be a little careful in getting out up there. Maybe, when we get out, my exit's at 46.72. It may keep going. It may stay above that. I can't really be for sure. I would have rather have gone short, because we were 5 ticks above the 46. It was pretty much a for sure thing. This one's a little bit more risky, but you should be able to hit it. It could, shoot up really super well and get really bullish, or it could take a while. Like yesterday, it was sort of inchworming its way up, right? Today it might shoot up really good. It might go up big on the daily. Like instead of 46.72, like 47. Hit 47. And one way that we could know that is by it taking off here and going up. I mean, not wasting too much more time to get up to the top of the 10-minute, up to 72. And then, maybe take a while for it to break. And then once it breaks, it shoots up even higher. So anyway, we'll see. I'm most likely gonna pull the exit and go for 50 ticks, but let me just watch it for a little bit longer here. See how it acts. 62 would be 30 ticks for me. So far it's acting very good. It's pretty much doing exactly what I wanted it to do. It's acting very, very good right now. Now, before it goes and breaks that 72, assuming that it will, it'll play a game for a little while. But what I want to see it do is go up a little bit higher now, make it up to 68 or so. And then it'll probably play a game for a little while, come back down a little bit, go back up, come back down a little bit, go back up, play a game for a little while, until it finally goes up and breaks. Now, if it's really going to go high today, it'll just go right up and go break. It'll just shoot right up and just keep going. But most of the time it'll play a game first. So I'm just watching it. It looks very good right now. For a 50 tick exit today. Now it may go up even higher than that, but I'm keeping the math high. Keeping the math as high as I can pretty much keep it within reason. Okay, I'd already be out for 30 ticks if I had wanted to take it. I'm risking it here and trying to go for more. Now again, it's likely to play a game here first, before it actually goes up and breaks, to play a game. And come back down a little bit, go back up, come back down a bit, go back up, making it look like to traders that it's double topping, so to speak. Now, if it doesn't play a game, then it will do the exact opposite of that, and it will just shoot straight up and go right through that 72 real quick and shoot right up to 82, 85, whatever. It'll do one of the two. Okay, here it goes. Did it? Okay, hit 68. We're looking good. This thing may just go up and break. It may just go right through it and break it. Or it's going to double top up here and come back down and play a game first. I can't tell which. It looks pretty good that it might actually go and break. Look at the daily chart. We're getting towards the top right now. Almost up there. Look at it go down now. I was up. Yeah, it seems like it. It seems like it. I was up like 36 or 7 ticks, 37 ticks, something like that. Yesterday I was up 33 ticks, didn't hit the 40 ticks. Today I was up 36, 37 ticks, didn't make the break. Not too easy here lately. Not too easy lately. Let me see, what's that going down into? There's a pretty good chance it's still going to head up. It's just shaking the tree here. And there's a pretty good chance it's still going to go back up. But I wouldn't want to risk it. Not on a Friday. Any other day, yes. Friday, no. Because Fridays are notorious for doing this. And it just... the range won't be very big. So, anyway, not that good of a Friday. No, I don't have any other codes. It was only one code today. It was good for, well, so far, it was good for 53 ticks. On a Friday, it may only do that on a Friday. I mean, yesterday was Thursday at 65 ticks. Today, on Friday, it may only do 53 ticks. I mean, it could very well happen. Has happened before, could happen again. So, don't want to risk it. But I just let all of you who either are not out or you're still in the Nadex trade, there is a pretty good chance it's still going to go up here. Oh, good. Glad you hit the Nadex. Okay. We'll be meeting again on Monday. It's probably going to be 8 a.m. on Monday. I got to be careful on Monday though, because they've been doing some wacky things with the code, and I got to be very careful. I'm going to look at the other codes to see what works and what doesn't, to try to determine if I think that the code will work that day. If not, we're going to have to push it to Tuesday once I figure out exactly what the code is. So, but I want to give it a chance to trade on Mondays like that. Otherwise, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are our days that we're going to be trading for sure. And I'll try not to let them trick me like they did yesterday next week. Yeah, so all of you have a great weekend, and I will see you next week on Monday, and go enjoy your weekend. Well, as the market picks up here, we will definitely start going for bigger trades, and then we can definitely do even better. And after the summer, it should definitely pick up for sure. So hopefully we'll do really super well. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. See you next week. Okay, I'm done trading in the trading room today. I was up 37 ticks, I think it was. Let's see, 68 to 72. I was up 36 ticks. 36 ticks. Yesterday, I was up 33 ticks. Came 7 ticks away from my exit. Today, I was up 36 ticks, going for 50. Didn't make it. My original exit was for 40. And that didn't make it either. But I changed it to 50. Didn't make it. I only ended up, I got out while this thing dropped like that. And so I was going to take 20 ticks, which would put me at 1,000. But it dropped so fast, by the time I exited, I only managed 13 ticks. Lost an extra 7 ticks. So it's definitely not been super easy. But since I know the codes and can take precision level entries using the codes, I am going to come out ahead. I'm just struggling a little bit here. But anyway, I will be back next week to do some more trading, and I will see all of you next week. Have a great weekend, everyone, and happy trading.